Ah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Look, I delivered this from Lazada. I ordered a AHEGAO hoodie. Yep, I've been waiting for 1 week, over a week, and I got it. Now let's go unbox this thing. Yep, let's go unbox this. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it everywhere, and I'll be popular, I think. So okay, then how to open this? Give me a moment. It's hard to open this with one hand, so okay. I thought those are tapes. So give me the scissors. Yep, give me the scissors. The scissors, man. Yeah, the scissors. Now, give me a moment, please. Hi. Go. Yeah, I got the hood. Yep, never mind the expo tile in the background. Here we are. Here we are. Yeah, I'm loving it, dude. It's fit on me. I really love it. Oh, I love it though. Look. It's high quality. The Prince HD, the arts. Yep. Dude. I can be an anime protagonist. I can be an hentai protagonist now. Right? So yep, this a unboxing video for me. So yep, if you want more unboxing videos, leave a comment or press like or something. Oh, shout out to Demetrius because he's gonna make another same unboxing video just like mine, same like this. I really love this so much. I really love this. Oh shit. Okay, that's all for this video, boys and girls. Peace.